Welcome to physics. Physics is the science of matter, motion, and energy, and about their interactions. Physics is really the underlying science for all other sciences. It's an exploration for how things interact with each other, whether it's forces or energy or fields, how things move or don't move relative to each other. Physics is also the underlying science that we look at for engineering. How do we build things to change our environment? How do we construct roads and bridges and buildings? Or how do we build automobiles or aircraft? Or how do we construct computers and work with the electronics inside? All those are part of engineering and interacting with our world and building our world, but they are also all built on a foundational understanding of the science of physics. And also we do the calculations with it. So you might hear at times it's very mathematical. Part of physics is working with that mathematics, but it's always important to step away and realize we're not a math course. We are not about doing those calculations. We're about using the tools you bring from a mathematics course into here to explain interactions around us of the universe. And we'll ask questions. How do things interact? What caused this to happen? What happens if I do A, does that cause B? We'll start with kinematics, so we can understand how things move and how that motion interacts. Collisions, how things collide and bounce off each other or collide and stick together. Electricity and magnetism, how to build electric circuits and how the current flows through those circuits and understand what those concepts mean. Gravity and how it influences how things fall near the Earth or how the Earth orbits about the sun. What's the construction of the atom? How do electrons move around the atom? How do they interact with each other? And we'll also explore when we move that back up, how does that create an electric current? How do those charges bring energy from one spot to another? So that we can do work, we can do things like have lights on in our house. From the smallest subatomic particles all the way up to the expanse of the universe and the interaction between galaxies in the universe, the beginning and the end of the universe. It will be my pleasure to take you through this material as we learn to understand physics and understand how it describes our world. I am Dr. Stites. Let's get started in our exploration of physics.